Hey friends, Susan here. It's time for sketch number 31. Today we're going to use Masterfully made DSP paired with sweet sorbet and basic white cardstock. First, let's segment our DSP into the panels shown above, and then your cardstock will be cut in half. One half will be divided as shown, and the second half I'm going to dry emboss with the Basics 3D embossing folder to add some texture to our card. This sentiment comes from Charming Sentiments, and I used sweet sorbet ink and the coordinating dies to die cut that sentiment out. Okay, so here are the parts and pieces for our project today, and remember, all of this information is on the mini tutorials you can subscribe to for email. I give you the products, the measurements, and how to cut these original panels. Okay, start your project by folding your card base in half and giving it a good score with your bone folder. Then we're going to face the front of our card with the textured panel, add adhesive to the back, and then square off your edges and press it down. Next, we're going to adhere the DSP section to the mounted cardstock, and then we're going to add some ribbon for embellishment. I start my ribbon by tacking one end with a dimensional on the back of the panel. Then I wrap it around about 4 times, and when I'm done, I tack it with an additional dimensional on the back and then trim it off. You can see I added additional dimensionals to the panel, as we will pop it up on the front of our card when we're done with the ribbon. Next, I added about 24 inches of twine, folded over a couple of times, and tucked it underneath the band. I then gave it a double knot and trimmed off the edges to give it a little bit of a fringe effect for the ribbon. Okay, so now go ahead and adhere that panel with dimensionals to the front of your card, and then I added the sentiment with dimensionals as well. So that's our final project. I hope you enjoyed it today, and please leave me comments to let me know that you watched and if you'll give this sketch a try. Please remember to subscribe here on YouTube so you don't miss any of my projects. And if you place an order with me, I will happily send you a thank you kit in the mail. You can also sign up for my newsletter and the tutorials. All the links are in the caption below. Thanks for joining me today.